Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discuss about slat wall ideas to try these designs and ideas. Very great designs, and everyone like these slat walls designs and ideas. Essence wall are among the most popular decor ideas for any home. They never go out of style. You may go for an accent wall done with stone. So, wood wallpaper paneling and paint, and there are many more ideas that exist. If you are looking for a very fresh idea, this roundup is sure to inspire you as well as a solution. So these are wood slat walls designs. Wood slat walls are a great idea for a contemporary minimalist or mid-century modern interior designs. They look organic in many spaces, from bathrooms to bedrooms, make a gorgeous headboard accent wall, and never go out of style. They give a fresh and edgy feel to the room, giving it a natural and cozy touch at the same time. Let's take a closer look at the ideas, contemporary and minimalist spaces. Wood slat walls are perfection for contemporary or minimalist spaces. They look very cohesive. They accent the wall in a non-banal way and warm up the interior, which is especially cool for minimalist spaces that are considered rather cold. Ones go for vertical slats that are stained in various shades. Stained ones will match a contemporary space better and will make it more welcoming. Wood slat designs, minimalist spaces. Everyone like these walls, slat walls, and if you are looking for a clean and sleek look, a whitewashed or even white wood slat accent wall will be great too. So all the designs are here. You can get the ideas, you can collect the ideas. Very great designs. So we hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, share this video, comment this video, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.